Okay, so you got the pieces knocked up, very roughly cut. So that's one piece. As I said, just roughly cut at the moment, but it goes where the dotted line is. We'll need curve in it here, and it'll need a bit of a lip formed on it up the edge there. Mount a couple of holes there for the guards to go to, some snapped bolts in there which will need to come out, but shouldn't be too hard. The mudguard covers most of it. That's the line where the mudguard goes there, so really I'll do as good a job as I can, which should be a pretty good job, but at the end of the day it's not going to be seen once the mudguards are on. On the inside here there is a secondary skin. A bit hard to see, but there's a secondary skin. As I said, it goes about 60 or 80 million, so I'll make another piece. Once I cut the outer skin out, I'll fix the inner skin. I'll rust convert it and paint it all while I've got the part as well.